Hello everyone and welcome to another video of my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about the widgets, image view, text view and button. And this video will be a review out of the previous videos of this course. So if you don't know how to use these widgets, I recommend you to stop this video and go to the description below, find the link of the previous videos and watch them, and then come back to this video. In this video together we will build this application, and in this application, by pressing the next button, the next images will appear onto the image view, and by pressing the back, the previous images will be displayed. If you are ready, let's get started. Okay, I have created a new project and named it Review App Number 1. I have an empty activity and that's it. Let's start with the designing the layout. Let's use this for our project. So I need an image view here. And I'm gonna set a padding on the layout. I think 10 dp is enough. Then this one can be here. I'm gonna set the height of the image view to maybe 200 dp, and later we will change it if it was necessary. Then I have the text view. I'm gonna add it somewhere here. That's cool. And maybe a bit more. The text of the text view 0 out of 0 for now. Then we may change. Then I need 2 buttons. The other button. Okay. Here. For this one, the second button also maybe 50 dp from the left, and this one I'm gonna set 50 dp as so that's good. Okay, I assume that you know how to use buttons, text view, and image view, but if you don't know, I'm gonna put the link of these videos and let's say the link of the whole playlist of the course on top of this video right now here, and you can click on it, watch that videos related to button, text view, and image view, and come back. And also I'm gonna mention them in the description below, and you can find them there. So if you don't know how to use them, stop this video, watch those videos first, and come back here again. I think that's a good layout for this video. Just let's change the name of the buttons and the IDs as well, and it will be okay. Next, and back. The ID btn underscore next, and btn underscore back. The text view and the image view are good. So let's go back to main activity.kt. First of all, I need some images to display on the image view. For this, I'm gonna open the drawable folder. I'm gonna add these photos. Just copy, and here I'm gonna paste them. Okay. Now I have the pictures. If I want, I can double click on them and watch them. I named them like E number 1 to E number 6 in order to use them easily. First of all, let's initialize the widgets that we will use in the app. So sorry, I need it to be capital. Text view. Okay. Now we need an array to store the IDs of the images inside it. I'm gonna call it IDs and with the type of array integer equals to array of r dot id dot r dot drawable e number 1, and I need 2, 3, comma, and here e2, comma, e3, comma, e4, e5, and e6. That's it. And here we have the photos. Then I need another variable. I'm gonna call it counter equals to 0 for now. Then I'm gonna build another variable and I'm gonna call it len, which is equal to IDs dot size. Okay, now let's check the application on the emulator. Okay, there is no function for the buttons, and the text view and image view are empty. Let's set the first image of the array to the image view as the default image. For this, I'm gonna call the image view and set the image resource. Then here either I can type the address of the image view, which is r.deliverable.evan, or write the IDs and the first integer of the integer array will be this. Now let's check it on the emulator. Okay, the image is set, but still no function for the buttons and nothing here. Then I need to write the value for the text view. I'm gonna call it dot text equals to first of all the counter backslash, then the length. Now let's check it again. Okay, now it's image number 0 out of 6. It's a bit silly, so let's add another variable here and call it current image. I'm gonna call it equals to counter plus 1, and let's check it. Sorry, I should change it here as well. Now it will be okay. Okay, number 1 out of 6. Now let's set the function setOnClickListener for the buttons, and for this I'm gonna call the button next dot setOnClickListener, and then button back dot setOnClickListener. Okay, I'm gonna copy this line and paste it here. Then here I need the counter, and here I should increment the counter because the counter is by default 0, and then when we press the next button, the counter will be plus plus and will be at the first time plus 1. Then the ID number 1, which is image named E2, will be set on the image view. Then again I should call this line, sorry, to set the text view as well, and I should increment the current image as well. Now let's check it. I think everything is good. Okay, number 1 out of 6 by default, then number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, but no function for the back button. I'm gonna copy all of them and paste them here, but instead of plus plus, minus minus, and here as well. Now let's check it again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. That's it. But something is wrong. When I press after this image 6 out of 6, the next again, the counter will be plus plus, and the counter will be larger than the number of the size of the array, and it will be larger than this length. And in the next line that we are setting the image resource, there is no value with counter 7, and the app will crash. The same for the other side. When I'm pressing the back button until the amount of the counter will be 1, if I press it one more time, the amount of counter will be negative, and there is no negative value for the array, and the app will crash. Let's see. That's it. And in the logcat it's written length equal to 6, index equal to -1, and in the line 49 the error will occur, and the app will crash. The same if I install it again, for the next button will happen. After image number 6, if I press it again, the app will crash. I'm gonna close it, and here in the logcat, let's see, the length is 6 and the index is 6, and line number 42 is the error. So we should set something to check the amount of the counter. After the image number 6, we want to make a loop to show again the number 1. So before set the image, we should check if the counter is larger or equal the length the counter will be equal to 0 again. Now let's check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we have the loop, but this one also should be okay. Let's put it in the curly brace, and here the current image also should be equal to 0. Now let's check it again. Number 1 2 3 4 5 6, and again number 1 2 3 4 5 6. But for the minus side, still we have that problem. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here. So whenever we are pressing the back button, and the counter will be minus minus, and it will be less than 0, so the condition will be like that: less than 0, the counter should be equal to length and minus 1. Why minus 1? Because the length, the size will be 6, but the number of the IDs will be started from the 0. So this one is 0 1 2 3 4 5, and we want to call this, so it will be the size of the array, which is 6 minus 1, it will be 5. And this one should start from 7, because here we will decrement it, then we will display it. So here the result should be 6, and let's check it. X 6 and back to 1. Okay, again 6. So it works like a charm. Okay, that's everything for this video. If you find any value in this video, please remember to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And thank you for your time. Have a good time. If you have any question, write down in the comments below, and I will be so happy to answer to the questions. And if you don't know how to use any of the widgets, I'm gonna put the link of the videos related to these widgets into the description, and you can find them. Bye bye.